A Chicago woman says she's lucky to be alive after a piece of equipment from a power line crashed into her home. Jasmine Miner shares this story.
This is the disc that Maggie Green says sliced through the roof of her home. Now, it's something that I can barely lift myself, so imagine this weight plus the wind that night, plus the height of the power line right behind her home. She says this is something that could have killed her.
The cap came and sliced through my house like a circular saw blade.
Hairstylist Maggie Green says she was standing in her living room getting ready to put pink highlights on her friend's 10-year-old daughter when this disc flew from her backyard power line, slicing through her roof. They thought it was a tornado.
And we sat in the bathtub and we were just waiting.
Only to come out and realize there was no tornado, just this disc that missed them by inches.
We would have just not been injured, just chopped. And the only thing worse than being chopped would be to watch someone else be chopped.
Traumatized, she says the stress still makes her physically sick. On August 16th, the disc went past her, hitting the table, the dresser, and then the floor.
This corner of this wall stopped it. And
the 10-year-old was right here, sitting in this chair.
Yeah, and her mom was right there. So it was like a miracle.
She's counting her blessings today as she tries to show the public the weight of the nearly 3 feet long material. Add that weight at this height.
Yeah, at the very top.
Wow.
So the top is round, and that's where this came from.
Green says this could have gone drastically different.
It's insane. It's like Final Destination.
She says while her landlord patched up the roof and firefighters came to make sure the house was safe, she has yet to hear from ComEd. With houses surrounding several power lines, safety remains her biggest concern.
If a windstorm made that fall off and almost kill us, then imagine the next storm, what's going to happen?
We did reach out to ComEd for a comment, and we did not hear back yet. I'm Jasmine Miner for ABC 7 Eyewitness News.